Welcome viewers. A former maintenance worker at Mar-a-Lago, now being eyed as a key witness to an attempt to conceal evidence from the government, retracted his grand jury testimony after switching lawyers, prosecutors in special counsel Jack Smith's office said in a Tuesday filing. As we proceed, please take out a minute of your time to click the subscribe button and then the notification bell for more updates from us. The unidentified staffer, named only as Trump Employee 4 in the filing, but suspected to be Yusel Taveras, who oversaw the club's security camera system, initially told a grand jury that he hadn't been privy to any attempt to delete security footage. But after dumping his lawyer, Stanley Woodward, for another attorney offered up by the federal defender's office in Washington, Taveras quickly reversed course. Immediately after receiving new counsel, Smith's office said in the filing, Taveras retracted his prior testimony and provided information that implicated Trump and his two alleged co-conspirators in efforts to delete security camera footage. Sources familiar with the matter told ABC News that Taveras' decision to switch lawyers and cooperate with Smith's office came after he received a target letter from Smith in June, indicating he knew Taveras had perjured himself during his grand jury testimony and warning of possible criminal charges. Under the terms of their agreement, in exchange for his truthful testimony on the obstruction allegations, Smith will not prosecute Taveras for perjury. One of Trump's co-conspirators, the former president's so-called Diet Coke valet Walt Nauta, also represents Woodward. The attorney has many ties to MAGA world, and legal fees for this case are being paid by President Trump's Save America PAC. Earlier this month, when Mr. Taveras was still representing Mr. Woodward, prosecutors raised concerns about a conflict of interest that the lawyer represented too many defendants and witnesses in the case. I doubted that it was. Mr. Woodward represented at least 7 people interviewed by prosecutors investigating the case, according to filings dated August 2. At least 2 of these clients, including Taveras, could be called as government witnesses at trial, in which case Woodward would stand against them while defending Nauta, the filing said. Need to interrogate. In a filing, Smith's office asked Judge Eileen Cannon to hold a Garcia hearing on the matter. The purpose of Tuesday's filing was to add weight to the prosecution's case for a hearing. Lawyers for the co-defendants adamantly denied the need for a hearing, suggesting the alternative could be to bar Mr. Taveras from testimony altogether. On Tuesday, prosecutors said it was an unprecedented mistake. They also called Taveras to the witness stand, still anticipating a very likely cross-examination by Woodward for previous false testimony. I repeated that there was. The case also charges Mar-a-Lago property manager Carlos de Oliveira, who was added to the charges after Taveras' comeback. Trump and Nauta faced new disability charges in proxy indictments. All 3 pleaded not guilty to all charges in the case. ABC News reported that Taveras met with prosecutors last month, just a week before he was re-indicted. During the interview, he denied anyone pressured him into making false statements, according to sources. In fact, Taveras reportedly said he didn't want to be involved in the case any further because he was afraid of losing his job. It was unclear on Tuesday whether he still works for Mar-a-Lago. What is your take on this video? Drop your feedback and thanks for watching.